Oh my goodness, what is he up to now? We gotta go check this out. Okay, Kenneth, do you have a surprise for me?
I got a new motor for the M715.
We are so excited! The M715 is getting its 1992 12-valve Cummins engine. First gen. We have test fit this one in, but everything's come off it. You saw that in a prior episode in this playlist. And it got stripped, sent up to the machine shop. They've done their work on it. Now it's time for us to take delivery and figure out how to get it out of the truck. Yeah. Yet another creative use of the lift, I see.
If it works.
We kind of need a gantry crane. Look it. Cummins beige gloriousness. Oh, I can't wait to see unwrapped. Ready? At this point, we're doing the overhead lift thing. The lift arms are as high up as they can go, and he's inching it forward in the hopes that it will slide on that KO2. Thing is, it doesn't. I didn't move. Well, that didn't work. So he's going to undo the chaining to the lift, and we're going to go ahead and get the cherry picker out. But notice this cherry picker's been modified. You can see that there is a very long extension on here. It's just 2x2 square tube, and it was necessary, even after taking the tailgate off, to be able to reach that far up and get it lifted so that we could get enough weight off of the tire so that sliding could happen. You see the corner of my jacket here? That's because I'm filming while standing on the cherry picker. Also take note of how much that heavy engine is bowing that extension. Because of the pivot point up there, the angulation of the joints. It's going to want to twist. He's worried about the engine swinging around. Really? That's where the chain is going to want it. It's not going to want to ride straight because the chain is twisted when it's in a straight position. I'm talking about right there. Yeah, it's going to turn. Okay, whoa! Come back! No! You come back! No! Park! It needs to go up a little bit. Remember you said the back end of the truck was going up? That's exactly what's happening. Yet another detail. As the truck leaves the shop, it goes down off the concrete. Back end of the truck is rising a little bit, so... But yeah, it's pivoting just as it should. Cummins unloading a Cummins. Haha. Remember, I can't move to catch that tire or anything because I'm counterbalancing all that weight on the back end of the cherry picker here. Okay, stop! Park! You're not clear yet, but I want to get that tire out of the way before it causes an issue. I don't want it falling and having energy we don't need. Okay.
Okay, we're going to get the truck out of the way?
Yep.
We're going to set it down.
I agree, but I'm going to stay right here. Do you want to lower it to a point where the engine stands on it, or do you want to go all the way to the tire?
I'm planning to go all the way to the tire right now because of this.
Well, I'm just worried about it sliding forward when it gets low. That's because while Kenneth took the time to put a bolt on the end of this, he did not fasten it to the arm of the cherry picker. Okay, move your tire.
Because yes, I have the same concern.
Because our extension pole is not bolted in. That's why we're concerned. And the Cummins has landed. I would keep it right there for a while. Yeah, because you're starting to move this now.
That's fine. That's fine.
Well, I don't want it to pull this over when it flops over.
Let's see what they sent me home with here. That looks like a Cummins. See the ARP head studs that they put in for me? As I have a moment of, that looks different. Making sure all of these thread in by hand so that nothing gets stripped or bound up when we tighten up the bolts. And now the trick is to get the two of these out of each other's way.
Or is that into each other's way?
Yeah. It'd be fun to get it to line up. That's the ticket. Get everybody's legs out of the wrong places.
It's like reverse pickup sticks.
And there it is. We got the motor back from the machine shop. It's been cleaned, painted, rebuilt. They've gone through it. They had some interesting findings as they were going through the motor. The camshaft was damaged and had to be replaced. Other updates that had to happen. So, a good experience. Definitely though, one of those you won't know what you've got until it's all the way torn down. We saw that as we were tearing this one down, and they continued to find little things as they were going through it at the shop. If you like what we do us a favor, like, subscribe, comment, and share. We'll be back next to put this motor the rest of the way back together so that we can put it into the Jeep.
This was our first experience sending an engine to a machine shop to have it completely gone through and redone. We really appreciate the work that they did and can't wait to get it into the M715. In the meantime, Kenneth is in analysis paralysis, trying to decide on a lot of other things about this engine. Fuel system, turbo upgrades. Oh yeah, he's giving it a lot of thought right now. So, more things to come.